Tom DiSalvi. I'm the Vice President of Safety, Driver Training, and Compliance for Schneider, and I'm here to talk about the Drug and Alcohol Clearinghouse Rule. The Drug and Alcohol Clearinghouse Rule is a regulation that creates a federal database for drug and alcohol violators who hold a CDL. The intent of the Clearinghouse Rule is to ultimately enhance highway safety. The rule goes into effect January 6th of 2020. Schneider is committed to a drug-free workplace and unimpaired, safe drivers. Schneider's core value is safety first and always, so of course for Schneider, when we evaluate rules of this nature, safety is always first and foremost. The Clearinghouse will have an impact on the supply chain, and there are several points that I will go through explaining that impact. First, the rule is projected to cost $154 million to the industry annually and remove potentially tens of thousands of drivers from entry into the market. It's important to mention the increased cost will be passed along to the shippers and consumers and will become a permanent part of the market's supply chain and distribution costs. Specifically, carriers still have to check with prior carriers for dates of service and accident history, so the clearinghouse is all additional work for the carrier and additional costs. In addition, carriers also must check their entire existing fleet once a year, which is an additional cost, and possibly, if a positive result is found, removing those drivers from the industry until treatment is completed. As a reminder, the screening used for substance abuse for the Clearinghouse is all based on urinalysis. Now is the time to prepare for the new rule. In addition, Schneider believes the Clearinghouse should take their process one step further. Schneider, along with the Trucking Alliance and the American Trucking Association, or the ATA, believes that the Clearinghouse should use hair drug tests for screening purposes. The benefits of hair testing is that hair testing can detect drug use for a period of up to 90 days, while urine testing detects drug usage over a much shorter period of time, between 48 and 72 hours. And sadly, urine testing is also much more easily defeated. Schneider has invested over $7 million in hair testing for drugs since 2008. And ultimately, Schneider, the Trucking Alliance, and the American Trucking Association, or the ATA, supports the efforts of the Clearinghouse and the Clearinghouse Rule. However, again, would like to have the hair drug testing results included to ensure that our highways remain even more safe.